Meaning of entrenchment.
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 Entrenchment. Entrenchment refers to a situation where a particular belief, behavior or practice becomes firmly established and difficult to change. This can occur due to a variety of factors, such as social norms, legal frameworks, or personal experiences. Once entrenchment has taken hold, it can be resistant to attempts at modification or reform. The result of entrenchment can be a lack of progress or innovation, as well as a perpetuation of inequalities and injustices. In some cases, entrenchment can also lead to social conflict or upheaval if challenging the status quo is met with resistance.